Hello students, in today's session of inequality, concept of modulus function will be cleared through illustrations, right? And I will also like to request go through all these through which are concerned with you on sethiswiftlearn. Very helpful concept clearing videos, concept clearing videos. एक रिक्वेस्ट और रहेगी आप लोगों से कि अगर अभी तक आप sethiswiftlearn यूट्यूब चैनल के साथ नहीं जुड़े तो प्लीज इफ यू लाइक the content and videos, you subscribe it and share with your friends and colleagues. Now, let's start with the concept and questions. Concept regarding modulus function. Y equal to fx. That is mod x. That is answer is this is known as absolute value function. Absolute value. Absolute value. That is equal to minus x if x less than 0 and equal to x if x greater than equal to 0. Right? Domain of this function is R. R means real numbers. Range of the function is positive numbers. Right? Geometrically it represents mod x is distance of a point from origin. As distance is taken as always positive. Distance is always taken as positive. Graph of absolute function. Graph of absolute function. One line is y equal to x, one line is y equal to minus x. And y negative nahi hoga. One line will be going this thing, one will be going this thing. This is the absolute function. X-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the origin. Right? Next, certain property. Mod of x, that is mod x. Mod x upon y, mod x upon mod y, y should not be equal to 0. Our product x1, x2, x1 we can take mod individually. We can take mod individually. X to the power n mod we can take x to the power mod n like this. Right? Mod x greater than equal to a means x greater than equal to a or x less than equal to minus a. Means on number line, Goli concept, greater of outside, less for inside. Mod x less than equal to a, then x less than equal to a, greater than equal to minus a. This is minus a, this is plus a inside. If it is equal also, then take the dark it. Then triangle inequality. Mod x plus y, mod x plus mod y. That is equal to this. This time holds if means inequality. Inequality holds if x into y is less than 0. And equality holds inequality means greater का साइन तब आएगा जब ये x and और y दोनों का प्रोडक्ट लेस देन 0 है. X dot y is greater than equal to 0. This is regarding certain properties of modulus function. Now, next question.
Question is, solve the inequality mod x minus 3 greater than or equal to 2. Concept applicable. Mod x greater than or equal to a. Answer is x greater than or equal to a or x greater than or equal to minus a. Concept is minus a. If it's closed interval, shed it. Boli. Greater of outside, less for inside. If it is mod x less than or equal to a, then x less than or equal to a equal to minus a. This is minus a, this comes with this. Right? In the given question, x minus 3. Therefore, x minus 3 will be greater than or equal to 2 or x minus 3 will be less than or equal to minus 2. If you solve this, x greater than or equal to 5 or x less than or equal to minus 1. These are the two possible answers. Minus 1, this is 5. According to this, we should move this in. This is infinity, this is minus 1. Conclusion will be minus infinity minus 1. This is closed interval. Union 5 infinity. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, solve the inequality. Mod of 3x minus 9 plus 2 again in mod greater than or equal to 2. We have to solve 4x. Concept applicable? Yeah. So possible answers are x greater than or equal to a or x less than or equal to minus a. Right? If we draw this on number line, minus a plus a. It is closed interval, so dot it. And this is the possible answer. Means, Goli concept. Greater of outside, less for inside. We put 3x minus 9 mod 2 will be equal to greater than or equal to 2 or 3x minus 9 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. If we solve this, 3x minus 9 mod greater than or equal to 0. This is true. True for R, x belongs to R. Now let us this in 3x minus 9 to minus 4. Not possible. Not possible. Conclusion, x belongs to R. That is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, solve the inequality x square minus 7x mod plus mod 6x minus 2 greater equal to x square minus x minus 2 modulus sine. Concept applicable. One is triangle inequality. Triangle inequality. Triangle inequality. What is that? Mod A plus mod B greater equal to mod A plus B. On inequality. Inequality holds if xy, a into b is less than 0. And equality holds if a into b greater than 0. This concept will be applicable where a, b belongs to real numbers. In this case, so this is a, this is b, this is, check it. A is x square minus 7x. A is x square minus 7x. B is 6x minus 2. Check whether this is equal to a plus b. A plus b will be equal to x square minus 7x plus 6x minus 2. X square minus x minus 2. This is a plus b. Right? So this means inequality is applicable. Inequality is applicable. That is, a multiplied by b should be less than 0. X square minus 7x, 6x minus 2 less than 0. Right? Then x taken common, 2 or x minus 7 or 3x minus 1 less than 0. So points क्या है, x equal to 0 आया, 1 by 3 आया and 7 आया. Right? 7 पे value put कीजिए, this will be positive, positive, positive. So this is positive. Very method. This will be negative. This will be positive. This will be negative. So conclusion, you have to find the value of x for which it is less than 0. So x belongs to minus infinity to 1 union 1 by 3 to 7. This is the complete answer. This is the main thing. This is very, very important thing. This to be kept in mind for solving the triangle inequality, right?
Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.